Okay, you guys know how I love my military surplus stuff, especially my Alice gear, and in particular my medium Alice pack. Well, the medium Alice pack comes with a pretty cool thing. You know, it's got the flap that goes over and covers the backpack, and the underside of that flap, it comes with a nice rubberized coating to make it waterproof. Well, over time, just by sitting there, that rubber will start to degrade and it'll start to flake off. There's a pretty cool fix for it that I've seen around. I've only seen it once or twice on YouTube. So let's go down and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So when I got this pack, the underside of this lid was in absolutely perfect condition, and you can see over the last 8 or 10 years, it gets kind of oxidized and it starts peeling off. All of them do that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do the Flex Seal modification. I'm going to spray this with Flex Seal, and then I'm going to spray it with paint. The only problem is everybody sprays theirs with black Flex Seal. I ain't got no black Flex Seal. I got clear Flex Seal. But, you know, black, clear, what the hell? As long as it's coated with the rubberized coating, I think it'll be okay. Then the next thing is, I got some basic old deep forest green paint. And I also have some black. Now, I don't know whether I'm going to spray it with black first and then spray it with green, or just spray it with a couple of coats of green. I'm going to kind of find that out when I get there. But here's the lid. Let's go down and get started. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is you got to put something in this lid to kind of fill it out, you know, and give it a little structure. Some people put plastic bags in there. I ain't got no plastic bags, but I got a bunch of shop towels that I use for my garage. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start jamming some towels in there just to give it a little structure, you know. And it doesn't have to be puffed out. Ooh, you know, that's almost all I need. You don't have to jam a whole bunch of stuff in there. Just enough to where you can close this and make sure that you have all the Velcro covered. Hey, you know, that's not bad. Okay. A little bit more down on this end. Yeah, and a little bit more out. All right. So, you guys get the picture. Just put something in there so it doesn't, so you can paint it and you don't have a bunch of big ridges. Okay, that looks good. Let's go outside and get the paint set up. Okay, we are out here in the blazing sun today. First thing is, you notice I taped off with painter's tape just the little tabs. Any place that you don't want Flex Seal, you got to tape off. Make sure the straps are under there and everything else. So, I use a little piece of cardboard. It ain't got to be perfect. So, let's start. Wow. Woo. Okay. That's not bad. I'm gonna let that dry, and then we'll come back and see how that looks. All right, so this has been out here in the sun drying for about an hour, and it already looks 100% better. And it's totally dry, even some of the thicker spaces. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a second coat. And Flex Seal says to let this stuff sit for 24 to 48 hours. So to totally dry before you paint it. So I'm going to give it a second coat. And then I'm going to let it dry overnight. And we're going to come back with the decision of the black or the brown or just the brown. So this went on so easy before. Let's see if we can do this again. All right, that's a really thick coating, but this is going to dry and be really, really good, I think. So I'll bring you back tomorrow. Okay, so here we are 24 hours later, and here's 2 coats of Flex Seal, and it's dried pretty good. And it don't look that bad right now, but you can still see a few parts of the coating, the old coating where it's flaking off. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to skip the black, and I'm just going to give it a couple of coats of green, and then we'll see how that works. So let's go give this a couple coats of green. All right, we're going to do some green. Let's see how this is going to work. The breeze just came up too, so. All right. Wow, that looks great. And you notice I'm spraying over the grass, so I don't really care about the overspray. But that's going to dry really quick, and then we'll give it another coat. All right, out here in the sun and the breeze, this only took a few minutes to dry, so we're going to give it the final coat and the final touch-ups. Touch up just around there a little bit. Okay, you can still see a little. This is drying right when it hits the pack. And now the breeze comes up. Really, really cool. God. All right, that ought to be enough. Yep, that blocked that pretty good. That's a pretty good match, I guess. So I'm gonna let this dry for a few minutes, and then we'll go in and check out the finished product. Okay, this has been drying for a while, and this turned out really, really good. You guys see in the beginning of the video how much it was peeling off, and it was just coming off on my fingers. Now it's got a totally rubberized and painted coating. A little bit right there, not perfect, but this is a ton better than what it was. So if you're going to try this, this is really, really quick and easy. All you got to do is just spray it and let it dry. So let's go up and talk about what we learned today. All right, this was a really quick and easy project. Great way to upgrade your medium malice pack. The rubberized coating under those flaps is going to degrade, and it's going to flake off over time. So if yours look like mine, or some of them look much, much worse, this was real easy. All I did was spray some Flex Seal Clear, followed up with some Deep Forest Green, and I got almost a brand new underside of the flap. The Flex Seal Clear worked surprisingly better than I thought it was going to. It went on nice and smooth, and once it dried, it was a nice rubberized coating, and it took the paint really well. Now they have different colors of Flex Seal. I know they have black, and I'm pretty sure they have red, yellow, and green now. So you might not even need the Deep Forest Green. So let me know what you guys think about my little project about recoating the underside of my medium malice pack flap. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up on this video. And once again, this is Matthew Old Florida Boy saying that I will see you on the trail.